smoked her. Let's go. I saw blood pour out right away. Oh, yes. Oh, she totally spooked. Or she totally saw me. There was another little one behind her. I couldn't see it. Yes. I'm gonna tell the group. I just came over to look for blood. There she was, there's all the hair. There's some blood. I don't see any more. Whole bunch right there. Whole bunch. So what you do when you don't know, like, if you're so we're looking for blood. Hill, there was a very nice buck down there. I have two tags. I don't know where he went. Buck wasn't huge, but it's bigger than any buck I've shot this year, so. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Share, like, and subscribe. My eye won't stop watering. Well, I don't know what happened. The stupid gun. I pulled the trigger and it didn't go off. Always when you're hunting, be safe. That's why I got down right there, because he was only on the fence line, so I wanted him to come up. But that one was smaller than the other one. I wanted to shoot the big one, but I didn't know he was. I didn't see the big one, I only saw the little one. I don't know why the gun didn't go off. Heck yes, baby. Oh my gosh, so I was up there at that doe just standing there. I looked down here and there's a small 4-pointer. So I was about to shoot him, I videoed that. And then he got away from me. So then I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna go down to that bottom and just sit, because the fence line was right there in front of me and I couldn't shoot over it. So I went down to the bottom. I look down there and there's another buck. So I shoot him and he falls down the hill. How awesome is that? I just tagged out within like 30 minutes of each other. So I'm gonna go out here to this field, and I don't know where they're all at, but I think they're still kind of pushing towards me. But yes. He fell right down there. Yeah. That's a nice one. Keep going. Okay. You want me to follow you?
We're gonna all go to the truck probably.
Heck yeah. You can start whenever you.
What's the date?
He shot these because of me.
12/10. Yeah. Put the wrong half on there.
I didn't.
Yellow's supposed to go to the outside.
What?
Is this your 11 or your 9 or 8?
11.
I thought the lady made me do it.
Say what?
I thought the lady made me do it.
She did? It didn't though. Turkey?
Yeah.
Is it turkey tag?
You can't put your fur bearer's license on this deer.
12.
I'm just kidding.
Whoops. Idiot. 12. 10.